Welcome back to Boom Academy. We're now on video 2, getting to know the features of your dashboard. Let's go ahead and go to the dashboard. So now that we're in the dashboard, you'll see that we have selected in this drop-down box, as stated before, today. You'll see what is scheduled for today's sessions. You can also see upcoming, past, all, and you can do a date range as well and put a specific date range in if you're trying to look up previous recordings. We'll just go ahead and pick today. Now, we are going to go through and talk about everything in this line for each session. As you build sessions, they will look just like this, just the most recent will be at the top, and you'll see them listed down below. So you'll have the date that you scheduled the session, the name of the session, we called ours Demo, Boom Demo 1, the time of the session. To the right of that is a circle. In this circle, you can click on it and it opens up what shows you have been recorded. Since we have not recorded anything yet, it shows a 0. But as we record, it'll show how many different files are in that section. To the right of that is copy link. This is where if you have more guests or you would like to invite a producer or what we spoke about on video 1 of an audience, you can click on this, open up, tell if you want to copy the link for a guest, a producer, or an audience. And we'll go into producer and audience in depth in a later video. But this is where you can copy a link and send this to someone if you want them to join your session. To the right of that, you'll see a letter. This is depicting Ralph, who is the only guest that I invited. If I invited more people like Paul or Rick or John, it would have P on another R and a J for their initials. To the right of that is where you actually enter the room. We're not going to enter the room right now, but this is where you would enter the room to set up your session with your guests. This circle is a drop-down arrow which gives you the same exact stuff as this circle over here. When you actually have sessions, you will see them listed here. Now, these 3 dots is where you can edit a session or delete a session. Great, you have now created your recording session and have become familiar with your dashboard. In video number 3, we will be covering the recording room itself. Thanks for joining Boom Academy.